You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. I know the spelling makes it very confusing, and yes, there are probably different pronunciations, but yes, one of them is the most common one, so let's get through. It's a Hebrew origin, meaning relaxed or languid. It's most generally pronounced, I believe, especially in the US, as Leigha, okay? Now, some may pronounce it also as Leigha, and yes, the I in the spelling suggests Leigha, but it's commonly pronounced as Leigha as well. How do you pronounce it? If you are Leigha or Leigha, let us know, let everybody know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.